Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So are you trying to grow your cleaning business, your commercial cleaning business, but nothing is working? Nothing. Well, there's 5 things you're probably doing wrong. And if you stop doing these things, you will see a difference in a short while. So stay with me in this video. I'm going to give you those 5 things that you need to look at that you're doing right now. Stop doing them and you will see a difference. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, you're overthinking it. I get people all the time on our Facebook group. They've gotten their insurance. They've gotten their supplies. They've got their chemicals. They've got everything. Uniform shirts, but still haven't gotten started. Why? Because they're overthinking it. What should I do next? You get started. That's what you do next. You go out there and you actually market your business. Stop overthinking it. Stop, like, when we were little, you get ready to jump into the jump rope and you just stand on the side. That's what you're doing. That's the problem. Number 2, you don't have an inspection system. There is nothing you're doing to make sure your employees are doing an outstanding job. So every time you turn around, you're losing an account or you're getting complaints about to lose an account. Make sure you have a grading system for your inspections. A, B, C, D, or 1 through 10 or something where you can grade the progress of your employees, how well they're doing. Remember, you want to be proactive and not reactive. You want to find the things that are really important to your customer. And one of the ways you can do that, you've got the answers, your scope of work. It gives you everything that they're paying you to do. Utilize it. Make sure you use that as your inspection and do at least one inspection once a week. The third mistake they're making is they don't want to build an email list. That's right. I know we probably don't want to hear that, but this is the best way. Build the email list, drive traffic to your website. It's not that hard. Go in, put in certain keywords. You can go to usaspending.gov, simply put in certain keywords that are going to help people go to your website. They're going to go in, you're going to create that lead magnet. And if you don't know enough about lead magnets, click into the description and I'm going to give you some lead magnets that are going to work like a charm. They are going to make people want to download your lead magnet, your potential cleaning customers, and in exchange for that lead magnet, you're then going to get their email. The majority of the time, a cleaning customer already has someone, they're not sure if they want to get rid of them, and so what ends up happening is they're not going to make that decision right there on the spot. But if you find a way to build that relationship, something I talk about all the time, you would be surprised how when they're ready for you, they will then reach out to you because they will have all your information and you will be building a relationship with them back and forth via ConvertKit, which is one of my favorite ones. It's absolutely free. You can do a weekly newsletter, best thing ever. Mistake number 4, you're not training your employees well. They don't know what to do. You show them real quickly and boom, you're gone. And this is something you absolutely need to make sure you do. You've got to do the training. One of our biggest areas is turnover, and our employees just simply don't know how to clean. We may be really great at that part, but we've got to make sure that whoever's representing our company is good as well. Not just you, but them. And the 5th mistake is you don't have a plan. You have no idea what you're doing. Who is your ideal customer? How are you going to get the clean customers? You don't know anything on what you're going to do. So slow it down, take out a pen and paper, and I want you to do this. Write down a couple, 5, 6 things. Who's going to be your ideal customer? How are you going to get your cleaning customers? Do you know anything about marketing? Do you know anything about search engine optimization, social media? Do you have only a personal social media account, but not a business? These are the 5 deadly mistakes that end up costing you and potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars. You'd be surprised how many people, when they tweak that, they end up growing their business beyond what they believe. And next thing they know, they are really surprised when they look back and look at where they were and where they are now. So implement these changes and you will be surprised how well your business does. Now, if you want more information on making these changes, to start, operate, or scale your commercial cleaning business, then guess what you can do? Reach out to me. I'd love to see you in my free workshop where I go over everything you need to get to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! Make sure you sign up in the link with the description. Space is limited. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.